In this set of exercises, we'll be determining whether an infinite geometric series has a limit. Determine whether the infinite geometric series has a limit. If a limit exists, find it. The series is 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125 plus etc. So first of all, let's find R, the common ratio. We'll take 0.25 divided by 0.5. That gives us a result of 0.5. Since 0.5 is less than 1, the limit exists. So now to find the limit, we use the formula S sub infinity is equal to A sub 1 divided by 1 minus R. In this case, A sub 1 is 0.5. And then 1 minus R, R happens to also be 0.5. Well, that's equal to 0.5 divided by 0.5, which is equal to 1. So the limit for this series is 1.